am Happy Holly, and I'm here to tell you why I think I would be the best bachelorette ever. I have been wanting to be the bachelorette forever because when I was 5 years old, I have dreamt about finding a man that I love. And I really have always wanted to get married because I hear your wedding day is the happiest day of your life.
What's up? My name is Susanna Hotlanta, and I am from the Redneck Hood. I am here to audition for the Bachelorette.
Oh, hi. My name is Vladimir Moofpoof, and I am auditioning for the Bachelor. I can't pronounce anything. Hi, my name is Buddha Call. This is my Bachelorette application video, and I just wanted to tell you why I think I would be a good bachelorette. Well, I've never seen the show, but I hear it helps find love. And I know that I'm already 28, and we all die when we're 30 anyway, right? So I figured this is the right time to find love.
I want to meet as many men as possible before I die because I believe that we all die.
One of my best skills is cooking. I would love to have a guy to cook for. I love cooking meat.
I can dance really good. That is one of my specialties is to dance. I dance at bars, I dance at strip clubs.
I think I'd be a good wife because I'm very good at boiling carrots over the stove. I want to bear over 800 children just like my mother did.
Another one of my talents is skiing.
I dance at my house, I dance in the shower. I dance in the hot tub.
I'm from Russia. And in Russia, we are known as the best wives in the whole world because we can bear the most children at any time. I have already bared 84 children. I have had 17 husbands. Well, one of them I was not sure that he was a man or a woman, but he looked like a man. So I did marry him because he gave me goat cheese.
I can hawk some really good loogies.
Do you want to hear me sing? I'll take that as a yes. Okay, this is my favorite song.
I would be so good to any husband because I am rough and tough and I know how to handle my man.
I'm gonna play a little let's see. Oh, I got it going. It's from Lil Jon. He's my nigga.
And I know that there is a man for me. I hope his name is Cookie. I will handle my man the way he should be handled.
All you males, pick me, Susanna Hotlanta, for your new bachelorette. Thank you.
Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this, and I hope you pick me to be your next bachelorette.